Hello and welcome back to another DS Booster video. I will be explaining how to use one of the import options, exactly the sync eBay option, okay? You will have this option on your monitor. Always, once you have items here, you will be able to click this option, or you will have the option here too on the import option, okay? On DS Booster. I will be showing you how to use sync eBay. What this does is DS Booster will automatically scan all your eBay store and tell you which items DS Booster is not tracking. So you will have to, so we click here, we're loading all the items that are not being tracked by DS Booster. So in this case, all of these items are missing the source URL or the supplier URL. So as soon as you input here or all of the source URLs and you click sync items, DS Booster will start tracking them on your monitor. We will be changing their prices each hour, okay? At the moment, you can only input here Walmart and Amazon URLs. So let me go ahead and show you here. I will open my list of items that I would like DS Booster to track. So let me go ahead here and input the URLs. I'm going just to track 3 of them for this video. You can track as many of you as you want, of course, but let me go ahead, do this right now, and we just go here and click sync items. Simple as that, and DS Booster will start tracking these 3 items, okay? So if you go back here, or well, you can use the option here. You just click sync eBay, we will take you to this place, and as you can see, no longer DS Booster has the other items you have here. They are not on sync eBay anymore. So this is how you use the sync eBay option on DS Booster. It's pretty similar to the manually upload option, but in this case, DS Booster automatically shows you which items are missing on DS Booster, okay? So right now, we will show you how many items we are tracking, okay? And let me go back because we need to fix this little detail, right? So it looks really clean. So yeah, thank you very much for watching this DS Booster tutorial. If there's any more questions, any more suggestions on the import features that we have, please feel free to ask us, feel free to comment, and we will be happy to help. And once more, thank you for using DS Booster. Welcome to the family.